Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mirrorless cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Nikon Z50 Compact Mirrorless Digital Camera. This mirrorless camera comprises of LCD touchscreen, which is considered to be ideal for vlogging and self-portraits. It also comes with 20.9 MP along with robust 4K UHD video features. The APS-C sensor is another optimum feature of this camera. With a lens mount of 55 meters, it provides several benefits in low-light performance and premium image quality. The high-resolution EVF or electronic viewfinder showcases the look of the videos and photos in real time. It features magnesium alloy construction, deep grip, to ensure efficient, comfortable handling. This mirrorless camera makes use of the widest lens mount of the camera system, which is capable of capturing more light. Thus, you can get more contrast, sharpness, low light performance, focus speed, as well as image quality. It is also loved by people owing to the smallest interchangeable lens, 1080p slow motion, 4K Ultra HD, time-lapse, effects, filters, eye detection AF, 20 creative picture controls. It is possible to transfer the videos and photos effortlessly to the smartphone through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. You will be capable of capturing those special moments in silence with the aid of the photography mode. Moving on at number 4, we have the Sony Alpha 7 RIV full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera. It is recognized to be a full-frame 35mm Alpha 7 RIV with 61.0 MP, widest dynamic range, outstanding highest resolution. In addition to this, the combination of full-frame XMOR-R CMOS sensor and BIONZ imaging engine offers fine gradation, great resolution, and low noise. It also possesses UXGA 5.76 million dots OLED True Viewfinder. You will like the 4K UHD 2160p video resolution of this model. The Alpha 7 RIV also enables 10 fps shooting speed along with the mechanical shutter by which it is possible to capture those decisive and specific moments with their subtle details. It has a compact and lightweight body and ensures high-speed performance. The real-time IAF technology stands in limelight for conferring accurate eye detection as well as monitoring for the clear and crisp focus on the face of the subject. The Alpha 7 RIV helps you to capture the images of the animals at home or in the wild. The real-time tracking 12 feature is AI-based and is beneficial in the improvement of success rate during those challenging shots. It is possible to accomplish the autofocus demands of the 4K movies along with the fast hybrid AF. The vibration-free shutter of this model enhances the resolution to ensure crisp and clear images. Apart from this, the 5-axis and body image stabilizer algorithm has been optimized for enhancing the performance of a 61.0 megapixel 2 high-resolution image sensor. It also confers support to the FTP background transfer at the time of 16 as well as post to the shooting for the delivery of RAW and JPEG files. Because of the AF precision at the low light levels, you can focus accurately even during low light conditions. At number 3, we have the Fujifilm X-T4 mirrorless camera body. You can adjust the 1.62 MP vari-angle touchscreen for assuring its visibility from a plethora of positions. This 26.1 MP and Fujifilm X-mount mirrorless camera also imparts increased battery life and improved AF tracking performance. It also provides the video resolution of DCI 4K, 60p. You will be capable of focusing on the moment with the aid of the 100 fps electronic viewfinder. It is possible to enhance the limit of creativity with the aid of the X Processor 4, CMOS 4X Trans Sensor, a Turna film simulation mode. The 5-axis and body image stabilization of this unit stands second to none in conferring the image stabilization of 6.5 stops for ensuring that the image stays sharp and steady. The combination of this IBIS with digital image stabilizer of the 4-axis provides sufficient space for maneuvering. The new mechanical shutter feature is useful in producing images at 15 frames per second and 300,000 actuation. After combining the same with the larger capacity battery, it generates 600 frames per charge. In addition to imparting a monitor of premium quality, it also bestows quick controls, catering to your needs. There are options for activating the movie mode with the aid of the flick of the switch. It also offers super slow motion Full HD, 240p and DCI 4K, 60p video. Besides this, you can record the F-Log footage in the 10-bit color. The AFC subject tracking functions during dim conditions to 6 EV down, whereas the high-capacity battery allows you to push the creative limits. Again, the ergonomic grip ensures handheld stability and the weather resistance protects against the moisture, dust, and 14-degree F temperature. The vertical battery grip confers 2 additional batteries for offering up to 2,000 frames, before recharging. At number 2, we have the Canon EOS R5 full-frame mirrorless camera. This mirrorless camera from Canon comes with full 45MP CMOS sensors, dual CMOS AF2, 8K DCI videos, and in-body stabilization of the image. It delivers outstanding imaging performance, especially for landscapes, cinematography, wildlife, and portraits. The advanced processor enhances the detail with more efficiency and speed with 8K capture. It allows continuous clicking of images up to 12 FPS for mechanical shutter and 20 FPS for the silent shutter. The CMOS sensors offer a 100% coverage area with 1053 AF. You can also capture a cinematic capture with uncropped 8K DCI videos up to 29.97 FPS. Now capturing a 4K video with up to 119.9 FPS is not a big deal anymore. The Bluetooth and 2.45 GHz Wi-Fi allows convenient connectivity to other devices wirelessly. The user can record all the 4K and 8K videos in H.2654, 2:210-bit HDR-PQ or Canon log. With subject tracking, the device can capture the face, eye, and head of the people and the eye, face, and body of the animals. The 5-axis stabilizer for the image offers up to 8 stages of shake correction for steady and smooth imagery. A heat-emitting and lightweight magnesium alloy form the external and internal body of the camera to make it reliable and sturdy. And finally at number 1, we have the Olympus OM-DEM1 Mark III Black Camera. This STR styling and compact camera from Olympus comes with a joystick for multiple selections of the AF areas while the user is looking through the viewfinder. The body of the device is composed of a robust magnesium alloy that provides weather-sealed construction to the user. It makes the gadget splash-proof, freeze-proof, and dust-proof. You can capture any high-resolution shot with ease due to 50MP sensors. It allows non-stop shooting with a quiet electronic shutter that captures 60 FPS at SAF and 18 FPS at CAF. If you need to shoot in rainy or snowy conditions, then do not worry about this device. It comes with an IPX1 rating for water resistance. The camera includes 6 AF targeting modes starting from single to 121 points to click any kind of subject with full precision tracking and targeting. The 3 modes of live bulb, composite, and time allow you to take a snap of a long publicity shot with no difficulty of overexposure. The inbuilt Bluetooth and Wi-Fi offer you to transfer your images to the smartphone and convenient remote operation of the device. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.